In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Notes for beginners. To start, open the Notes app on your iPhone. This app is your gateway to a world of organized thoughts and ideas. Once the app is open, look for the New Note button located in the bottom right corner. Tap this button to create a new note. The moment you tap it, you'll notice that the first line of your note automatically becomes the title. This is a smart feature that keeps your notes structured. Remember, a clear title helps you find your notes quickly later on. Next, tap the AA formatting button. This button unlocks a variety of formatting options that can enhance your notes' readability. You'll see options for adding headings, bold text, bullet points, numbered lists, and checklists. Utilizing these features is crucial because they make your notes not only more visually appealing but also easier to navigate. By organizing your information, you can quickly refer back to important details without wasting time. Now, let's add some media to your note. Tap the paperclip icon, which allows you to enrich your notes with photos, videos, scanned documents, or audio recordings. This functionality is vital because it lets you create comprehensive notes that capture all aspects of your ideas. For instance, you might want to include a photo from a meeting or a voice memo of your thoughts. This makes your notes more dynamic and useful. After adding content to your notes, it's time to think about organization. Go to the Folders screen to start grouping your notes. Create folders for different topics like school, work, or personal items. This organizational step is essential because it helps you keep your notes tidy and easy to access. When you have a designated space for various subjects, you won't have to scroll endlessly to find what you need. Next, let's look at how to search through your notes efficiently. Pull down on the notes list to reveal the search bar. This is a powerful tool that can search typed text, handwriting, scanned documents, and even text inside images. This feature is especially useful when you have many notes and need to locate specific information quickly. It saves time and enhances your overall experience with the app. Now, if you have an important note that you want to keep at the top of your list, swipe right on that note and tap the pin icon. Pinning notes is a simple but effective way to ensure that your most critical information is always within reach. This little step can save you a lot of time, as you won't need to dig through your notes to find what matters most. Next, let's make sure your notes are always in sync across your Apple devices. Turn on iCloud syncing by going to Settings, then tapping your name, followed by iCloud, and finally enabling Notes. This is important because it keeps your notes updated and accessible whether you are on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. You can start a note on one device and finish it on another without missing a beat. As you become more comfortable with Apple Notes, consider exploring additional features. You can use note links to connect related thoughts, tags for better organization, smart folders for dynamic sorting, and even collaborate with others on shared notes. These advanced features can elevate your note-taking experience, making it even more productive and tailored to your needs. With this guide, you're well on your way to mastering Apple Notes. Enjoy creating, organizing, and enhancing your notes as you go.